my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to get this look. So before we get into the video, I think it's important for you guys to know what kind of hair I have. I have curly, thick, coarse hair, so the hair glitter really stuck into my hair, which was great for about 3 to 4 hours of filming. But let's go over the tools you're going to need to get this look. First, you're going to need a slick back brush. You guys can really use any brush as long as it slicks back your hair. I got this one from Target. You're going to need a comb. This comb has a comb on one side and a pick on the other side. You're going to need a toothbrush. I got this one from the Dollar Tree. You need pins. You guys can really use any color. I got these ones from Target. You can also get them at the Dollar Tree. Hair ties. I got these ones from the Dollar Tree too. Last but not least, hair glitter. I got these beauties from Forever 21. So I already washed my hair and I tied it up. Let it out a little bit. Let it down, you know. Then you want to take your comb. This is why you need one with a pick, because you want to split it in half, your hair. So you just want to grab the other half of your hair, and before tying it, you want to see how high you want it or how low. I really like my buns high, so I'm going to put it pretty high. I like to use 2 rubber bands because my hair feels more secure in a ponytail with 2 rubber bands. We're done with our pigtails. Now we're going to bun it up. And if you don't like it like this, well, I really like my buns really big and messy. But if you don't like it like that, you can always untwirl it and make it tighter and tighten it up when you twist it. As you guys can see, it's up, it's tight, it's good. So I'm just gonna focus on if there's any loose hair that's just sticking out. You just wanna take your pins and you just wanna pin it down. Okay guys, so here comes the fun part. So now you just wanna take your toothbrush and you wanna get your hair glitter. And this is a gel kind of, so you just wanna dip it in. Just take a little. And you want to spread it across the front or the back, wherever you're putting your hair glitter. That's on my forehead. You do not want to put it on your forehead. That was a bad example. And if it gets too stuck, then you can use your fingers too. But this toothbrush really works for me the best. Now I moved on to the silver on the other side. So just want to dip it in like with the other one. Yesterday at dance camp, we only did gold. But now we're gonna do silver. After I was done with dance camp and we came home and I washed out all the glitter, my mom thought it was gonna be a huge mess, like none of it was gonna come out, but it actually wasn't. It actually wasn't, so it all washed out pretty good. I'm super sad that dance camp ended because I made so many friends and it was super fun. I learned a lot of new dance moves. So now after you're done with your head, you want to move on to your buns. The brush didn't really work for my buns, so I used my fingers. There we go. As you guys can see, I was talking about how I love the stars so much. So that's what the stars look like. You just want to smear it. I'm going to do silver on the gold side and gold on this other side. Just want to nicely pat it on there. It up for this hair tutorial. If you want to see more hair tutorials, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join the Milkshake fam, and I'll see you in my next video.